Alright, let's take a quick glimpse into my Time to Shine vertical template. This one has a lot of pop and I'm excited to show it to you. As with all my templates, there's a full tutorial included with the instant download that's going to give you much more in-depth details. But a quick look into this, you can change any of the colors, any of the fonts, move stuff around. So for example, I'm going to shut my sample subject off and insert a new subject. Here's a dancer I photographed. I'm going to slide her in and drop her, and then move her to the correct position in the template. Maybe scale her up just a little bit more, something like that. Now I'm going to change the colors of the background. Simply double click on the colors I want to change, and I'm going to pick an orange. The other side can be a different color also. For example, I could do blue or something else, but I like the black and white version that goes with your uniform. This jersey texture is located here within the text graphics. Again, I simply double click on that layer and select the color that I like. Let's change the text to dance and the Bettendorf to Hawks. Now I can change the ground options. And this is Time to Shine 3, which is going to have basketball court, a hardwood floor, a wrestling mat, and a gym mat. For example, I can shut off the basketball court and turn on just the hardwood floor, which is great for dancers and volleyball players. Or I could go all the way down to the gymnast mat, which is great for all-star dance, tumbling, jiu-jitsu, karate, and gymnastics. So the background number here can be changed to anything you want. It can be the school's abbreviation. If she's a senior, it could be her graduation year. Or in this Time to Shine Vertical 3, actually have a star option inside it. Of course, I can change the subject's name up here quickly. To help blend your subjects in, there's a glow action included in the download. Just go to my actions palette and hit play on that. It's going to add a nice little glow to the subject here. Of course, I don't even have to have any of this text on there. I can shut the text layers off and they look good in there just like that. Here's my Time to Shine Vertical 1. If I shut these off, I open this up, you can see that as a football field, a grass field for soccer, field hockey, lacrosse, things like that, tennis court, and an ice rink. Time to Shine Vertical number 2 is going to have a ball field. It can be great for baseball or softball, a swimming pool, a track, and a road. The road works great for cross country, or could serve as a completely different model and say something like road to state for your team. Most of these elements are completely in color, so if you shut off these colors here, you'll see, for example, again, the ball field, the pool, the track, and all those things have color, if you'd want to use them that way too. This template comes as a 4:5 proportion, but does include cropping guides to easily allow you to crop into a 2:3 proportion. So you can easily print any standard size, from a 4:6, 5:7s, 8:10s, 11:14s, 16:20s, on up to a 10-foot vinyl banner if you'd want. The instant download also includes a vertical panoramic template, if you need to print something in a 1:2 proportion. As you can see, it's a pretty awesome template, and I think you're going to love it.